Hello everyone, welcome to this new tutorial video. Today I'm gonna teach you how to sign up for Hulu account. Hulu is an American subscription streaming service which offers a library of films and television series. You can get all your favorite films, TV shows and series all in one place. First of all, open your web browser. I'm gonna use Google Chrome. Now click on search bar and type hulu.com. On the screen you can see Hulu, Disney Plus, ESPN Plus, which are all a bundle which you can get by clicking on this button. But if you only want Hulu subscription, then click on the sign up for Hulu only option. You will be taken to the next page where you can see plans or the subscription. You can choose cheapest one for $7.99, moderate one for $14.99 and the expensive one for $69.99 for a month. You will get free subscription for a month and after that you have to pay. And if you want to choose expensive one, you will be getting Disney Plus and ESPN in the package. For now, I'm gonna choose this one. After clicking select button, new page will be open. In this page, you have to enter your details starting with email address and password, then your name, your birth date and your gender. After filling all the details, click on continue. After clicking the continue button, you will be directed to the payment section where you have to enter your card details. If you like this video, do subscribe to our channel and also hit the thumbs up button. I will be back with more videos. Thanks for watching.